Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint easy drawing of festival on oil pastel. Let's start. Now I am drawing with fun the face of Ma Durga very easily. At first I make a plus sign at the middle of the page. Then we draw a triangle and a U shape. This is the basic shape. Now we extend the line. Then I draw two circles, left side and right side. I draw the U shape for nose. Draw C, alphabet C for nostril. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Having finished the drawing, then apply the colors accordingly. Let's start. Medium yellow, primary red, orange, rose pink, light blue, deep green, yellow ochre, deep green, black, glass marking pencil, I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.